In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to achieve a sepia monochrome color grading effect using DaVinci Resolve. We'll walk through each step meticulously to ensure that your footage gets that classic, timeless sepia look. So let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're in the color page of DaVinci Resolve. This is where all the magic happens. It's your main workspace for all things related to color grading. Having a clean and organized workspace will help make the process smoother and more intuitive. Now, to begin the grading process, we're going to add a new serial node. You can do this quite easily by pressing Alt+S on your keyboard. Serial nodes are crucial because they allow you to layer changes to your image, stacking effects one on top of the other. This gives you more control and flexibility in your color grading process. Once you've added the new node, navigate over to the Color Wheel tab. This is the section where we'll set the foundation for our sepia tone. The first step here is to set the saturation to 0. By reducing the saturation, you're effectively removing all color from the image, leaving you with a monochrome grayscale base. This is an important step because it sets the stage for applying the sepia tone itself. Now, you'll want to select Node 2. This is where we'll perform the adjustments to infuse our grayscale image with those warm sepia tones. Start by manipulating the color wheels. You'll be looking to achieve a balance that brings out warm, brownish-red hues, typical of the sepia effect. The color wheels in DaVinci Resolve allow you to shift the mids, highlights, and shadows independently, so you can fine-tune the look until it's just right. Pay attention to the mood you're aiming for. This tool lets you experiment with how dramatic or subtle you want the sepia tone to be. Once you're happy with the adjustments you've made, it's time to preview your work. Play the footage to see the sepia effect in motion. This view will give you a holistic look at how the adjustments are impacting the overall feel of your video. Adjust if necessary to get your perfect level of sepia tone. It's always good to see your final touches in action to ensure they're working harmoniously across all scenes. And there you have it, a beautifully applied sepia monochrome color grade in DaVinci Resolve. Remember, color grading is as much about personal preference as it is technical skill, so don't hesitate to make adjustments that match your vision. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing!